Hey Beauty Squad, it's your girl LaTanya Kristina, aka TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. And let me just say, it's raining again here in LA, and I think we're gonna need life jackets. I mean, it's supposed to rain all day today and all day tomorrow, and I just can't, I can't handle it. But I'm gonna stay inside, stay dry, probably go to the movies later just to get out of the house. We'll see what happens. But as we move into March, and I started the year off not buying a lot of products, and then February hit and I bought a few products and that I used throughout the month, and even the couple of items I used in January rolled into February, you know, and so forth. And so I'm going to bring you some of the products, you know, makeup and skincare products that I've been using that I absolutely love and have not, and I repeat, have not been able to put down. And that says a lot. That says a lot for me, and probably for all of us, because you know, we all have so much makeup, multiples of, you know, the same, you know, products, you know, meaning foundations and concealers and pencils and all that good stuff. And you know, it's sometimes hard to narrow down to just a handful of things that you like. But the last couple months, I've liked a lot of things. So I'm going to bring you guys some of the things that I am just loving right now. Some recommendations for you. But before we get into this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you're already here. You're already here. So just go ahead, click the little bell, hit subscribe so you know when my videos are uploaded. Shout it from the rooftops, do all that good stuff. So, and please don't forget to like and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see from me as well too. So I have a few products here. Right now, as I said, these are products that I just cannot do without right now. So without further ado, let's get into this. So as I said, I have a few products that I've been using over the last couple months that I really, really like. So let's just start with skincare. I bought this skincare exuviance at the recommendation of the lady in Ulta, and I started using it, I want to say probably in January. And this is for normal to combination. I love this stuff. It's about more than halfway gone. So I'm probably going to have to buy another one very soon. I really, really like this cleanser. And I've only seen it in Ulta. I love it. It deep cleans and removes, you know, makeup and impurities, and it's soap free. So I really, really like this cleanser. So I haven't been able to really, I've tried other cleansers in between, but I keep going back to this one. So this one is definitely a favorite. And as far as a moisturizer, I ran out of the moisturizer that I was wearing. I can't remember or what I was using. And I was using a Mary Kay one. Yeah, I like her moisturizers. And then I was using one from, I think, Ole Henriksen, which was just okay. And then I was given this La Fer Revitalizing Moisturizer, Ageless Moisturizer. I love this stuff. It is just so creamy. The texture of this stuff is just creamy. I have not been able to put this down, so I'm definitely going to have to get another one of these, but I would definitely recommend this product here. Is really, really, really nice. My favorite moisturizer right now. So let's get into makeup. So pretty much everything that I am wearing is something that, well, just about everything, because I can't wear everything, but everything that I just have not been able to put down. So we're going to start with concealer first, and then how I prep for concealer. These Tom Ford Enhancing, these glow drops, they're glow drops, they're illuminating drops, and I add this is called Liquid Sky, and I add this kind of, you know, at the high points of the face just before I put on concealer, or I add it with my concealer. I love this stuff. I also have one from Marc Jacobs, one of his coconut highlighting formulas, and I love that. This one I really, really like as well too, so I'm really loving this one. As far as concealers, the L'Oreal Infallible I've been liking. It's a little thick in texture. I reviewed it. I liked it. I think I said it was okay. And I've been wearing it, and it's been working out fine. It's really thick, so a little goes a long way. And then the Fenty concealer, I've definitely been using this, and I'm $360 in this, and I got $350, and I like that even better. And in this Infallible, I am $410 in this one. So I'm really, really, really liking these two concealers right now. Now, oh boy, eyeshadow palettes, which is always something I think we all love, right, is eyeshadow palettes. So we'll start off with the first two I got from Pixi. You see, I've been using these, and I really, really like these. These are the Reflex Light and the Natural Beauty. These are pigmented, very pigmented palettes, affordable palettes, no less, you know, as well too. You can buy them from Target. I mean, this just buttery creamy. I mean, they're just so nice. I mean, look at that. Very nice. So I've used these definitely, you know, a few times, and I like them. It's my pleasure. What I'm wearing today, my $12 palette from ColourPop. This one, this 9-pan shimmer and foiled and pressed pigment palette. Love this palette. I'm wearing it today, and it, again, $12, you can't beat it. I did a comparison of a couple of similar, you know, palettes that I have. This one I've been using a lot. The one palette I really haven't been able to put down is the NARS Skin Deep palette. And I like a lot of us, probably have a lot of neutral palettes, warm and cool tone palettes. But this one, I really have not been able to put this down. So I wear this pretty much every day to work, you know, mixing up the colors, you know, the tones and all of that. And sometimes I might blend these other palettes in with it. But this NARS Skin Deep is a good one. For those of you who don't like to wear a lot of color or explore with color, I would highly recommend this one. And I recommended it in my last video when I bought it. And I have not put it down. It stays within arm's distance, if not on my makeup table. So anything that I like or that I'm loving is very close to me in proximity. So I just need to be able to just grab it and keep pushing. So, but these are definitely the palettes that I have been loving and been using pretty much since they came out. Let's see. Oh boy, foundation. Always a tricky one. So I have a few foundations here. I've been liking the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I reviewed this along with the concealer at the same time. You know what? I think I like the foundation better than the concealer. I like the concealer, but I like the foundation better. This wears well. It has sunscreen in it, and because I have combination oily normal skin, it's a soft matte finish, and I like this. I like this a lot. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, again, another, you know, soft matte. This is full coverage. You know, for these matte type of foundations, I use my beauty blender for this, because with my type of skin being oily, to me, the beauty blender blends them out much better than with the brush, and I discovered that purely accidental. This Vanish foundation. I don't dislike it. I'm not in love with it. It's still okay. It's it's one of those, a little goes a long way. So I've been using it, and you know, the presentation of it is nice with this really kind of triangular shape frosted glass bottle. Again, I've been using it, and I've tried it with the beauty blender. I've tried it with a couple of different types of brushes. To me, it blends better with a brush than it does a beauty blender. I don't dislike it. It's still just okay to me. It hasn't been bad enough for me to take back, put it that way. But it's in heavy rotation right now because I think I'm trying to give it a chance. Moving on. Blush. The last blush I brought was the Milani brush. And I still wear this blush. I like it. So this is Rose d'Oro. Oh shit. This is Rose d'Oro, and I like this blush. It's pretty. It's an affordable blush. I don't recall how much I paid for it, but it was reasonably priced. I bought it at, I think, CVS or something like that. I'm sure it was under $10, but I like it, and the color holds very well on this, I would say. As far as lashes, House of Lashes, the Iconic Lights, and these that I'm wearing today, which are the Yvette's. But these Iconic Lights I purchased, I've worn them every time we've gone someplace. My last few videos, I may have actually had this on. So this right now is definitely my favorite lashes right now by House of Lashes. I clean them every time I wear them. As soon as I take them off, I take the glue off. So next time when I get ready to put them on, I'm not struggling with that. Powders, I've still been using the Fenty powder. I use banana, for the baking occasion, and hazelnut to set, my makeup. I don't really use these together. It's either one or the other. Or sometimes I take that back. I have used them together, but I'm still really, really liking the Fenty Beauty powders. I'm just loving them. This contour palette from Black Radiance, another drugstore find. Haven't put this down. This gives me my light, my contour days. I love this. See, I still keep the plastic on it because that's the OCD in me. But I love this palette. I absolutely love this palette. Again, another great drugstore find. I would recommend this. It might have been $7.99 or $8.99. It is a great palette. It's pigmented. It holds up well throughout the day, and you cannot beat the price. You can't. Highlighters. I've gone back and forth. I've been using this Laura Mercier highlighter, and this is Indiscretion. I just love the name. This is a pretty highlighter here. I've been using this one, and I really like it, but the highlighter that I really love is Honey Drip from Artist Couture. I met Mac Daddy Angel a few weeks ago, and he is quite the colorful character. Love him. But this Honey Dip is what I'm wearing today, and I like this Honey Dip. I will say it kind of goes on, really light, so you've got to really kind of, I don't want to say pack it on, but once you get it on, and just kind of, brush it on. I use this highlighting brush, and it will eventually, I don't want to say that, but it does, come up when you get it, and sometimes I'll wet this brush to just kind of illuminate it. Just kind of make it pop, even more. But I like the Laura Mercier Indiscretion. Is that what it is? Yeah, Indiscretion. And the Honey Drip from Artist Couture. I've been into nudes lately, lipsticks and lip glosses. So the Fenty Fussy, I have not put this down. I'm probably going to run out of this soon because I wear it all the time. Love this. This in the original, they better not ever stop selling this because if they do, they're going to have a problem on their hand. My favorite nude lipstick, though, is Creme de Nude from MAC. This here, I use it with either cork or chestnut liner from MAC, or I've also been loving these ColourPop lip pencils, which I think were $5 each, and then they were on sale. I have BFF. I got the one from Ellery, and I have BFF 3. I mean, I bought some nude glosses and these pencils. I think I spent $50. You cannot beat ColourPop's prices, but I really, really, really enjoy these lip pencils. Really, really love them. Now, as far as I will just say mascara. There's a couple mascaras I like. The Snap Mascara and the MAC Gigabyte, this little blue one. Because the wand here, look at that little tiny wand. It gets into the little nuances of your eyelashes and really helps separate them. This is a good one. I love this one, and I usually keep a couple of these handy because I love it. The Snap Mascara I like. I use this a lot of times when I'm going to wear lashes, and I just coat them with this, and this really kind of strengthens them and kind of gives you some volume. So I've been using those two, and I really like those two a lot. As far as glosses, oh, I forgot another concealer. NARS. I'm Caramel and Biscuit. This creamy radiant concealer, really like this. This is definitely a classic here. So this is definitely another concealer that I've been using pretty regularly over the last few months. Now, as far as lip glosses, there's a few I've been using. There's this one from Anastasia here, and this color is Gilded because I'm just so into nudes these days. This is kind of like a gold shimmery. Love it. Then there's the Butter Gloss from NYX. I mean, again, and this is in the color Fortune Cookie. Doesn't smell like Fortune Cookie, but it's a really sheer pink. This one, again, because I've been into nudes lately, so it works. Another one from NYX. This is the Strictly Vinyl lip gloss, and this is Sugar Mama. I want to name some of these one day. This one is kind of a darker pink. This one here, great new color. It looks brown in the bottle, but it's actually kind of a pinkish brown. And then there's this Too Faced one. I think this is a Jordan Woods one. Another excuse me, gold shimmer. And this was her collaboration with Too Faced. I think it had a scent to it. Little light scent. Almost kind of like vanilla. But it's this one here. This with just a pencil, chestnut, or actually no, let's go lighter with cork. And this, very pretty. Can't go wrong with this. But, that's, oh my God, that's everything. That's a good amount of products that I've really been liking or loving. So I'm looking forward to a lot of the new releases that are coming up in the next, few weeks, if not the whole month of March. It's something coming out, it seems like every week, it looks like. So we'll see what I'm going to purchase. Let me know what some of your current beauty favorites are. Share them with me. We'd love to hear what you have to say. I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and more importantly, like I said, you're already here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget. Until next time, LaTanya Kristina is out with all of my current beauty favorites for right now, at least. Bye.